Today we are going to study the topic work in physics. So, what is work? According to physics, work is said to be done if a force displaces an object. Okay. So, let us see what it is. This is an object. Okay. Let us consider a force if acts on this object. Okay, and obviously the object is at rest initially. Okay, because of the application of the force, the object moves forward. Okay, and then the object gets displaced from this position to another position. This may be the next position. Okay, here what is happening? This is the displacement. This is the displacement S. Okay, then we say that work is done on the object. Okay, whenever you are talking about the work, you have to clarify that whether work is done on the object or work is done by the object. Here the force is doing the work on the object. That means the object gets displaced from its original position to a new position. Okay, therefore work is represented by W. So work W is equal to force times displacement. Okay, here the displacement is represented by S. Okay, and then now therefore W is equal to F dot S. Here you see both force, F is the force and S is the displacement. Both force, FORC force, and displacement. Here the object has been displaced now. So this displacement are vectors. Am I right? Then what about the work? But work is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. Okay. Now, what are the units of work? So here let us write the units. So W is equal to F dot S. Am I right? So here force is measured in Newton, 1 Newton. Okay, and then this is 1 meter. So therefore W is equal to Newton meter, or here I'll write Newton meter, or this can be represented as Joule. 1 Newton meter is equal to Joule. Now how to define a Joule? This is SI unit of work. Joule is the SI unit of work. How do you define a Joule? A joule of work is said to be done if 1 Newton force displaces an object through 1 meter. Can I repeat? 1 joule of work, I write here, 1 joule of work is said to be done if 1 Newton force displaces, one second, again I write again, one second, if 1 Newton force, FORC force displaces an object through 1 meter. Then we say 1 joule of work is done. Understood? So this is all about the work. Here two conditions will come. You may ask, suppose you apply the force, even then the object will not move. For example, if you push a wall, how much, whatever may be the magnitude of the force, the wall will not move, no? Suppose if you apply the force on a mountain, what happens? Will the mountain move? No. Whatever may be the magnitude of the force, the mountain will not move. So then we say that work done is equal to 0. That means even though F is magnitude of F is enormous, but S is equal to 0, then work done is equal to 0. Similarly, for example, you just stand still, and but the in a what but the thing other thing is, if f is equal to 0, that f, w is equal to 0, because w is equal to f dot s. If f is equal to 0, I write here w is equal to 0 if f is equal to 0, and w is equal to 0 if s is equal to 0. Okay. However, large the force may be, if there is no displacement, then the work done is equal to 0. Okay, this is all about the work. Let us study energy, in particular mechanical energy. What is the meaning of energy? Energy, according to physics, capacity to do the work. Energy